Chloe. Here is your blue big ideas math for today. Okay, so Wednesday, we're moving through this week. Let me check and see what you guys did yesterday. You guys did 6.2 yesterday, so we're gonna grade 6.2, and then we're going to do 6.8, our quiz today, I think. I know you're super excited. We did not do 6.2. Maybe we did. No, we did 6.1. Sorry, I'm trying to get myself together here. 6.1. Okay, here we go. 6.1, number 4. Right? You guys did 4 through, no, 7 through 21. Okay. Number 7. Ooh, that will be plus, minus 3. Or negative 3 and positive 3. All those work. Okay. Number 8 is plus, minus 8. Number 9 is plus, minus 2. Now, if you wrote it like this, that's fine also. Number 10 is plus, minus 12. Number 11 is 25. Okay. Number 12 is negative 3 over 10. Number 13 is plus, minus 131. Number 14, 2.7. Number 15, plus, minus 2.2. Okay, 15. We gotta go to 21, so bear with me. Okay. 16 is negative 19. 17. Oh, my throat is froggy this morning. What did they do wrong with 17? Oh, they're missing the plus minus on 17. So it should be plus minus 1 over 2. That's what they're missing. They're missing that part. Okay. 18 is 7. 19 is 9. 20 is 8. 21, last one, is 25. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So out of 15, right, how many you got? Okay. And then make sure your name's on it. Submit it online for math. I have to add all the math things today. Okay. So, moving on. Pythagorean theorem. So we're done with grading. We're going to do 6.2. Moving on. Okay, so I'm on page 238. So open up your book to page 238 and we'll start. Okay, so today we're going to be doing triangles, right? Okay, so there's 3 sides to a triangle. This will be A, this is B, and the longest one is always C. So A and B can switch, but this one is always C. So today we're doing A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And hopefully they're pretty nice to you today. You guys are going to use your cheater sheet and then figure out what these are, okay? So all day today, we're doing a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And c squared is always the longest one. So I'm going to write that up here. A squared plus b squared is c squared. All day. Write that at the top of your page. Okay, so number one, it says that they have a wonky. Okay, so this is the longest one. So like I said, this is c. And they said this one's 5 and this one is 12. So we're going to set this up. A squared is 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared, right? Okay, so 5 times 5 is 25 plus 12 times 12 is 144 equals c squared, okay? So now we have to add 25 here. Okay, that's 169 equals c squared. Now, if you guys get out your cheater sheet from yesterday, right, we have to do that radical sign, because I got to figure out what that squared is. So this is just c on that side. So if I do the square root of 169 and I get my cheater sheet, I'm going to fold mine so that you guys can see it better. Okay, so I have my cheater sheet and I go to 169 is 13. So this is 13. Does that make sense? Okay, so let's do another one like that. That was not number one for your work today. Okay, here's the next one. This is c squared, 8, and 15. So it, like I said, it doesn't matter. So you're going to have 15 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. Okay, so 15 times 15, use your cheater sheet from yesterday. Do not throw that away. Is 225. Okay, 8 times 8 is 64 equals c squared. Okay, so I'm going to add 64 here, which is 9, 8, 289. Okay, so now I have 289 equals c squared. Now the way to get rid of that square root is to do the square root on each side. So I'm going to go look. 289 is 17. So 17 equals c. Does that make sense? Okay, now, they're going to make it a little bit harder. So they're going to give you triangles like this, and they are going to give you C. So this is 2.9, and this is 2.1, and this is A. So now I have A squared plus 2.1 squared equals 2.9 squared. Okay, so 2.1, remember, is like 21. So I'm going for my cheater sheet, which is going to be 4.41, right? And 29 will be 8.41. So now I have A squared plus this. Okay, so now I have to solve for A. So I got to subtract 4.41, subtract 4.41, right? So that's 0.4. A squared equals 4, basically. So now I do the square root of that and the square root of that. A equals, what's the square root of 4? 2. Does that make sense? Okay, so let's do another one like that, where you're solving for A or B. Okay. Okay, I'll do this one. I gotta like this. So this is 1.3. Remember, that's like 13. And this is 1.2. And this is B. Okay, so you have 1.2 squared plus B squared equals 1.3 squared. Remember, the long one is always this one. And this will always have that little square like that. Okay? So A and B go next to that one. Okay, so 12 times 12 is 1.44 because we have that decimal point, plus B squared equals 13 times 13 is 1.69. And the reason why is because I have my cheater sheet sitting right here next to me. So I'm going to minus 1.44 minus 1.44. Okay? So this is 0.25. So B squared equals 0.25. So now I'm going to do the square root of that because that and that cancel. So I have B left over here, and the square root of this, which is what's the square root of 25? So we're going to go look for 25. Is right here is 5. So 0.5. So B equals 0.5. Okay? Okay. Today's math. I have some for you. So I'm going to leave this on here for a little bit. Pause your movie and write these down. I'll zoom in. So, on number 1, you're writing that one. On number 2, it's this one. On number 3, it's this one. On number 4, pause your movie so make sure you can get these written down right. Okay? There's only 6 problems today, but they're 2 points each. I just did that one with you guys, so you guys should know that one. Okay? And then this one right here. Okay?